Alright, so here we got the Plum Optimax 11. Let's check out what's in the box. So you got your user manual, your start guide, whatever you would like to call it. Next up, you got your hands-free, your earbuds, high quality. Then you got your micro USB cable, which you will use to charge your phone, transfer information, whatever you would like to do. And then you got your charger, which plugs into the wall to charge your phone. And lastly is the phone itself, or if you would like to call it a phablet, because it's a tablet and a phone together in one. So I already started up the phone, so I'm not going to have to do anything to set up the phone, but you would have to set up your phone, input all your information. You're going to open up the back of the phone and see that only the top part flap opens. You're going to see that your memory card belongs in one place, and your SIM cards, which is a dual SIM card slot phone, both belong in one place. Make sure you're using the big SIM card and not a micro SIM card or anything like that. Just know that it's a dual SIM card phone, which means you could put in 2 different phone numbers, and it takes all networks except for Verizon and Sprint. When you're using your SIM card, just make sure it is activated with your carrier of your choice, and it will work. So the phone has up to 4G speeds, which is very fast, and it has 16 gigabyte internal memory, which is very big, also including the feature of expandable storage, which is great. The phone has 1 gigabyte of RAM, which is powerful. It can run any app and it can run any video very smoothly. It has 1.3 gigahertz quad-core processor, which also just adds on to the power of the phone. It has a 5 megapixel back camera actually, and a 2 megapixel front selfie camera. As you can see here, we're using the camera. So believe it or not, the phone has a 3500 milliamp hour battery, which is very big and will last you a long time. The phone is a 6.0 Android Marshmallow, so you'll be running with that Android software very smoothly. If you didn't notice, the phone is actually very smooth. The responsiveness is very well to the touch of the phone. When you're touching the phone, you will get exactly what you touched. Very quick responsive time. Very high quality feel in the hand. And the back of the phone has a very firm feel. You will have a secure fit and a very beautiful design actually. And that's all for the video today. Thank you for watching. You could check out this phone on Amazon in the link in the description. Thank you very much.